God's standard of righteousness should always be exercised. In order for us to be perfect in the sight of God, then we must live within the standards of God. This world can make such standards, but God Himself has His own standards. If you're a Christian, then you must live by God's standards. At hindi yung sa mundong ito. This world will give us standards that even if you're committing sin, the world will tell you it's okay. Since everybody is doing it, then there's no difference. You will be accepted. That's very wrong. Kaya nga, Pastor, ang hirap maglingkod eh. Kaya ako, hindi na lang ako naniniwala sa Bible. Too much work. Sige, mag-too much work ka ngayon. Kasi balang araw, too much work din ang gagawin mo sa impyerno. Alam niyo ang masama sa mundong ito? This world will always tell you that what you're doing right now is okay. Even though that is full of evilness. Or partly evil, it's still evil. Your sins will find you out. Kung ano ginagawa mo ngayon, magre-reflect yan someday sa judgment seat of Christ. In the end, it's between you and God, yes. Pero right now, you can already examine yourself if you are doing just fine before God. Ano sabi ng Bible? Only Jesus can satisfy your soul. And if that is the case, then you must look after righteousness. At saan mo makukuha ang righteousness? Makukuha mo yan sa Panginoon lamang.